How to generate a security code on HSBC. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, you want to open the app or use a device. You can use the HSBC mobile app, digital secure key, or your physical security device. Next, you will tap on the three lines, then your profile, and the security section. You want to click on Generate Security Code in the app menu, Profile, Security, and you will choose Generate Code. Then you will have to choose a type. You can select whether it's for logon, transaction, or re-authentication. The next step will be confirming your identity. You will have to enter your PIN, fingerprint, or use Face ID. There, you will see your code. A 6-digit one-time code appears, and you can enter it where requested. One time only, each code expires quickly, so generate a new one if needed. And make sure you stay safe, never share your security code. HSBC will never ask for it. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.